Part 3 of 40 hot occupations with high salary in USA and Canada in the next 10 years. I only selected 40 high-demand occupations with a median annual income of more than $60,000 from nearly 1,000 current occupations. The ranking listed here is based on projected employment increase number from the statistics of the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics in 2021. I sincerely hope that this information will be a valuable reference for anyone who is planning a future career, choosing a university major, or looking for a job in the United States or in Canada at the moment. 25. Financial analysts. Financial analysts work in banks, pension funds, insurance companies, and other businesses. Financial analysts guide businesses and individuals in decisions about expending money to attain profit. They assess the performance of stocks, bonds, and other types of investments. Financial analysts typically need a bachelor's degree to enter the occupation. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA) is the main licensing organization for the securities industry. Employers often recommend the Chartered Financial Analyst CFA certification from the CFA Institute, which may improve the chances for advancement. Financial analysts can become CFA certified if they have a bachelor's degree and several years of work experience and pass multiple exams. The median annual wage for financial analysts was $95,570 in 2021. About 32,000 openings for financial analysts are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 9% from 2021 to 2031 faster than average. The projected employment increase from 2021 to 2031 is 31,900. 24. Marketing managers. Advertising, promotions, and marketing managers plan programs to generate interest in products or services. They work with art directors, advertising sales agents, and financial staff members. Marketing managers typically need a bachelor's degree in a business field, such as marketing, or in a related field, such as communications. Advertising, promotions, and marketing managers typically have work experience in advertising, marketing, promotions, or sales. The median annual wage for advertising, promotions, and marketing managers was $133,380 in 2021. About 35,300 openings for advertising, promotions, and marketing managers are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 10% from 2021 to 2031 faster than average. The projected employment increase from 2021 to 2031 is 33,700. 23. Speech-language pathologists or speech therapists. Speech-language pathologists must be able to listen to and communicate with clients in order to determine the right course of treatment. Speech-language pathologists, sometimes called speech therapists, assess and treat people who have speech, language, voice, and fluency disorders. They also treat clients who have problems swallowing. Speech-language pathologists typically need at least a master's degree in speech-language pathology. All states require that speech-language pathologists be licensed. Requirements for licensure vary by state. The median annual wage for speech-language pathologists was $79,060 in 2021. About 14,000 openings for speech-language pathologists are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 21% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than average. The projected employment increase from 2021 to 2031 is 34,000. 22. Construction managers. Construction managers often collaborate with engineers and architects. Construction managers plan, coordinate, budget, and supervise construction projects from start to finish. Construction managers typically need a bachelor's degree in a construction business, engineering, or a related field, and they learn management techniques through on-the-job training. Firms might hire as managers those who have a high school diploma and many years of experience in a construction trade. An associate's degree combined with work experience may be typical for managers who supervise small projects. The median annual wage for construction managers was $98,890 in 2021. About 41,500 openings for construction managers are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. projected to grow 8% from 2021 to 2031 faster than average. The projected employment increase from 2021 to 2031 is 36,400. 21. Physician assistants. Physician assistants, also known as PAs, examine, diagnose, and treat patients under the supervision of a physician. Physician assistants typically need a master's degree from an accredited educational program. Applicants to these programs typically have a bachelor's degree and experience caring directly for patients. All states require physician assistants to be licensed. Applicants to physician assistant education programs typically have a bachelor's degree and some experience with patient care. Bachelor's degrees are often in healthcare or a related field, such as biology. Programs also may require that applicants have experience as a medical assistant, EMT, or paramedic, or another occupation that involves patient care. Physician assistant education programs usually take at least 2 years of post-baccalaureate study. A list of accredited physician assistant programs is available from the Accreditation Review Commission on Education for the Physician Assistant, Inc. ARC-PA. The median annual wage for physician assistants was $121,530 in 2021. About 12,700 openings for physician assistants are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 28% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than average. The projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 38,400. 20. Physical therapists. Physical therapists help injured or ill people improve movement and manage pain. They are often an important part of preventive care, rehabilitation, and treatment for patients with chronic conditions, illnesses, or injuries. Physical therapists use a variety of techniques, such as massage and stretching, to treat patients. Physical therapists need a Doctor of Physical Therapy (DPT) degree from a program accredited by the Commission on Accreditation in Physical Therapy Education (CAPT). DPT programs typically last 3 years. Physical therapy programs typically require a bachelor's degree, which may be in recreation and fitness or healthcare and related fields, in prerequisite courses such as anatomy, chemistry, and physics. Most DPT programs require candidates to apply through the Physical Therapist Centralized Application Service (PACS). The median annual wage for physical therapists was $95,620 in 2021. About 15,400 openings for physical therapists are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 17% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than average. The projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 40,400. 19. Web developers and digital designers. Web developers create and maintain websites. They are also responsible for the site's technical aspects, such as its performance and capacity, which are measures of a website's speed and how much traffic the site can handle. In addition, web developers may create content for the site. Digital designers develop, create, and test website or interface layout, functions, and navigation for usability. They are responsible for the look and functionality of the website or interface. Some developers work with graphics and other designers to determine the website's layout. Educational requirements for web developers and digital designers range from a high school diploma to a bachelor's degree. Some employers prefer to hire web developer candidates who have a bachelor's degree in a specific field, such as computer science or programming. The median annual wage for web developers and digital designers was $78,300 in 2021. About 21,800 openings for web developers and digital designers are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 23% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than average. The projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 45,400. 18. High school teacher. High school teachers generally specialize in a subject, such as English, math, or science. High school teachers help prepare students for life after graduation. They teach academic lessons and various skills that students will need to attend college or to enter the job market. The United States require public high school teachers to have at least a bachelor's degree. which may be in education. Many states require high school teachers to have majored in a content area, such as mathematics or science. But Ontario Province of Canada requires public high school teachers to have a minimum 3-year post-secondary degree from an acceptable post-secondary institution, plus a for-semester teacher education program. The median annual wage for high school teachers was $61,820 in 2021. About 77,900 openings for high school teachers are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 5% from 2021 to 2031 as fast as average. The projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 48,700. 17. Financial advisors. Personal financial advisors meet with clients to discuss their financial goals. They provide advice on investments, insurance, mortgages, estate planning, taxes, and retirement to help individuals manage their finances. Personal financial advisors typically need a bachelor's degree, although employers usually do not require a specific course of study. However, common fields of degree include business, social science, or mathematics. Courses in investments, taxes, estate planning, and risk management may be helpful. The median annual wage for financial advisors was $94,170 in 2021. About 30,500 openings for financial advisors are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 15% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than average. The projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 50,900. 16. Logisticians. Logisticians analyze and coordinate an organization's supply chain, the system that moves a product from supplier to consumer. They manage the entire life cycle of a product, which includes how a product is acquired, allocated, and delivered. Logisticians typically have a bachelor's degree in logistics and supply chain management, business, or a related field. Logisticians may qualify for some positions with an associate's degree. In addition, most programs offer courses that train students on software and technologies commonly used by logisticians, such as radio frequency identification (RFID). The median annual wage for logisticians was $77,030 in 2021. About 24,800 openings for logisticians are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 28% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than average. The projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 54,100. 15. Information security analysts. Information security analysts install software, such as firewalls, to protect computer networks. Information security analysts plan and carry out security measures to protect an organization's computer networks and systems. Information security analysts typically need a bachelor's degree in computer and information technology or a related field, such as engineering or math. However, some workers enter the occupation with a high school diploma and relevant industry training and certifications. Information security analysts may need to have work experience in a related occupation. Many analysts have experience in an information technology department, often as a network and computer systems administrator. The median annual wage for information security analysts was $102,600 in 2021. About 19,500 openings for information security analysts are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 35% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than average. The projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 56,500. 14. Human resources specialists. Human resources specialists recruit, screen, and interview job applicants and place newly hired workers in jobs. They also may handle compensation and benefits, training, and employee relations. Human resources specialists typically need a bachelor's degree in human resources, business, communications, or a related field. Internships in human resources departments may help prospective specialists to increase their understanding of the occupation and to network in an industry. The median annual wage for human resources specialists was $62,290 in 2021. About 81,900 openings for human resources specialists are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 8% from 2021 to 2031 faster than average, the projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 58,800. 13. Kindergarten and elementary school teachers. Kindergarten and elementary school teachers instruct young students in basic subjects, such as math and reading, in order to prepare them for middle school. Kindergarten and elementary school teachers use a variety of tools, such as computers, to present information to students. Public kindergarten and elementary school teachers typically need a bachelor's degree in elementary education. Private schools typically have the same requirement. In some states, public schools also require these teachers to major in a content area, such as mathematics. Those with a bachelor's degree in another subject can still become elementary education teachers. They must complete a teacher education program to obtain certification to teach. The median annual wage for kindergarten and elementary school teachers was $61,350 in 2021. About 120,300 openings for kindergarten and elementary school teachers are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 3% from 2021 to 2031 as fast as average, the projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 60,200. 12. Wholesale and manufacturing sales representatives. Wholesale and manufacturing sales representatives sell goods for wholesalers or manufacturers to businesses, government agencies, and other organizations. They contact customers, explain the features of the products they are selling, negotiate prices, and answer any questions from their customers. Some wholesale and manufacturing sales representatives specialize in technical and scientific products, ranging from agricultural and mechanical equipment to computer and pharmaceutical goods. Educational requirements vary with the type of product sold. If the products are not scientific or technical, a high school diploma is generally enough for entry into the occupation. If the products are scientific or technical, sales representatives typically need at least a bachelor's degree. The median annual wage for wholesale and manufacturing sales representatives was $62,890 in 2021. About 170,000 openings for wholesale and manufacturing sales representatives are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 4% from 2021 to 2031 as faster as average, the projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 63,300. 11. Accountants and auditors. Accountants and auditors prepare and examine financial records, identify potential areas of opportunity and risk, and provide solutions for businesses and individuals. They ensure that financial records are accurate, that financial and data risks are evaluated, and that taxes are paid properly. They also assess financial operations and work to help ensure that organizations run efficiently. Accountants and auditors typically need at least a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field to enter the occupation. Completing certification in a specific field of accounting, such as becoming a licensed certified public accountant (CPA), may improve job prospects. The median annual wage for accountants and auditors was $77,250 in 2021. About 136,400 openings for accountants and auditors are projected each year, on average, over the decade in USA. Projected to grow 6% from 2021 to 2031 as fast as average, the projected employment increase number from 2021 to 2031 is 81,800. I will present the last top 10 well-paid hottest occupations in next video soon. Please subscribe and stay tuned with me. Don't forget to give it thumbs up and share if you have enjoyed the video. Please see links of previous part 1 and part 2 under this video. Thanks for watching.